Hey guys, first of all, how to download MS Office 2019 on your Windows 10 without paying. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome and then after that type Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office 19 and then click on this first link. And then after that go to this website, that is downloadbytes.com office/MsOffice2019 and click on it, and after that you will be going to that and just click on MS Office 2019 and you will get a link and its size is 3.3 GB and click on this link. So I will give you the link. This is the link. Click on this link and this will download here, and after that just copy this ISO file to your desktop and rename it to ISO, and then after that your folder will be created like this, and this is how you have to download. And you have to download your system requirement according to whatever your system is, 32 and 64, and it's still getting ready. Okay, so this is how you have to download your MS Office 2019. Install, and it's just installing. I'm sorry that you are getting these lines, and so I'm really sorry for that. And the Microsoft Office is being downloaded. Please wait for a while, and it depends on your internet speed, and I will show you my configuration. So wait for it. So there it is logging, and you have to go to the system. So this is it, and Intel Core i3 4th generation, and it's Windows 10, and system type is 64-bit. So thanks for watching.